Namaste, my dear friends. We are celebrating the Yogāñjalisāram of Yogācharya Śrī Krishnamacharya by focusing on 5 very important verses of this beautiful poem of 32 verses. Today we are in the third video and we are going to explore the verse number 11. Atmika daihika manasa bhedat Trividham vihitam yogabhyasanam Sakalayachati vanchita suphalam Nahi nahi yogabhyasanam viphalam. Now this is very, very important in modern times, especially, my dear friends, because this verse is talking about yoga as a therapy. Yogācharya Krishnamacharya is saying that yoga is wonderful in the role of eliminating the 3 different kind of illnesses: Atmika, Daihika, Manasa, Bhedaha. Atmika Bheda means spiritual illnesses. Daihika Bheda means physiological illnesses. Manasika Bheda means emotional, psychological illnesses. No matter any of these 3 illnesses, yoga practices are there suitably to address these 3 different kinds of illness and help the patient or the student to alleviate these 3 different kinds of illnesses. We are all familiar with Daihika Bhedas, which are physiological illnesses, like you have back pain, you have diabetes, you have cancer, you have autoimmune disorders, etc. Manasika Bheda are emotional, psychological illnesses like depression, anxiety, etc., which are very common today. Spiritual illnesses are the ones that are a bit tricky because very often we don't talk about it. These are illnesses that come from, let's say, for example, trauma, for example, or certain forced spiritual invasions, like, for example, forced conversions, or where children have been taken away from their parents by certain societies so that they are educated in another way, etc. There are many things like this which are called spiritual illnesses. Yoga and Ayurveda definitely talk about it and deal with it. And that is why Yogācharya Krishnamacharya is saying that all these 3 types of illnesses can be helped with yoga practices, of course, by appropriate adaptations and modifications and application of the right tools. The same practices will not work for these 3 types of illnesses, and the same practices will not work for even the same type of illness for different students. And that is why it's very important to remember that we have to address yoga therapy in an individual manner with the guidance of a very competent and capable yoga teacher who is trained well in all aspects of yoga therapy from the yoga's point of view. Please embrace this, my dear friends, because this is brilliant. And this is what we try to do in our yoga therapy training programs. Reflect on yoga therapy as a holistic science for body illnesses, emotional, psychological illnesses, as well as spiritual illnesses. This is the message of our Acharya, Yogācharya Śrī T Krishnamacharya. Namaste. Namaste, my dear friends. My name is Kausthub Desikachar and I am the representative of the Viniyoga tradition of Yogācharya Śrī T Krishnamacharya and Yogācharya Śrī TKV Desikachar. We are so happy that you watched our video thus far, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of all the great videos that we are sharing on a regular basis. If you are somebody who loves yoga, if you're somebody who loves classical yoga, be assured that you will benefit greatly by subscribing to our channel. So thank you for your support, and your support means a lot to us because it means that we can continue to offer such great videos in the future. Namaste, my dear friends.